Hard time.
But he was released early for good behavior.
Aw. Jesus.
So, he wasn't exactly living up to the gangster image. He was actually a decent guy.
Just trying to make a living.
Now, that all started to change when he got out of Leavenworth and he married his girlfriend named Kathryn Thorne. Because Kathryn was a bit of a bad girl. She was a lifelong criminal.
Uh-oh.
And she had friends in even lower places than George did. She's the one who gave him the nickname of Machine Gun. In fact, she bought him his first machine gun and insisted he go out and practice, even though he didn't like guns that much and he really wasn't interested. Yeah. It was